Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project we have learned that how to improve our speed of a website using CSS only, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now in this project we will learn that how to redesign a website in HTML and CSS, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you are enjoying my previous project of HTML and CSS. So let's start. Now here you can see like previously I have shown you this website. Over here you can see there are many options like home, about, then services, then skills, teams, contact. Okay, so in this all I will just I will just change its color, and I will just change this background picture also, so it will be looking really good. So I will just do that by using its file of HTML and CSS. Okay, so like first of all you have to just open your website which you have to redesign. Then you have to just open its code in your text editor, like brackets I am doing. So I will just open my codes in my brackets text editor and I will just redesign that. Okay, so you can redesign, like you can change its color, like it all are crimson. Okay, so I will just change it to like green. Okay, so I will show you how to do. And this, and you can see this nav bar is also coming in crimson color. When I am just scrolling down, I will also change it to green, and I will just also change these all things into green, and this button also into green. Okay, so I will show you how to do. So first of all you have to open your brackets text editor, and now in here you have to just open your file from which you have made it your website. Okay, so I've just used JavaScript also. I don't do anything in JavaScript because I have just written codes like that. Okay, so I will just do nothing in it. I will just go to CSS1 and I will just do styling, and I will just change its color from here. So now for doing that you have to just go to up. Okay, so from the top we will see that what we have to change. Okay, so first of all I will change its background image. Okay, so I will just show you the location which from where I have saved. Okay, so over here there is my personal portfolio, and now in images I have just saved this one image. Okay, here you can see I will just take this one image on my background. Okay, like I have shown you in my website over here. Okay, I will just change over here. Okay, so the name was the different over here, so I will just change the name. Okay, so I will just go down enough because it was in home one. Okay, so I will just come over here, and over here you can see images, then slash, there is written inshal.jpg, like in images folder there is image of inshal.jpg. Now I will just change this image. I will just change it to like inshal 8 and -01, which was my image name. Okay, so just save from here, and now if I show you in Google Chrome, so over here you can see automatically my image has been comes. Okay, here you can see over here. Okay, so like that now this image is looking really good. Okay, so I will also change many things over here. So now we have just changed the image and it is color like a green over here. Okay, so it is not showing perfectly because I have cropped the image, and the when image is cropped, so the color should be dull. Okay, so here my color is also dull, but it is looking good. Okay, my image. Okay, so I will just do another thing like I have shown you. If I scroll down, so this navbar color should be come into green. Okay, so for doing that you have to just go to text editor again. Okay, and you have to just go to your style sheet where you have just style your website over here. Okay, so I will just go over here, and now in here I will just do another thing like I will just go to above. Okay, and now when you have just gone over here, okay, so just I will minimize that again, and then when you have just minimized that, okay, so here you can see there is written navbar sticky. Over here I will just change this color crimson to green. Okay, so I will just changing it to green, and I will just save from here, and I will just go to Google Chrome. So just hit refresh. Okay, so here you can see just it is not changed, it is not changed into green. Okay, here you can see when I'm just scrolling down, so the background color is now changed crimson to green. So over here now I will change everything into green, like this Leo you can see it, which is into crimson color. So I will also change it to green. Come over here and go down enough, and here you can see there is written crimson. Over here I will just take it to green. Now I will just save, and now over here you have to just go to Google Chrome, and here you can see that. So now it is just changed it into green over here. Okay, so like that you can change your colors. Okay, so over here we will also change this one color and button color. Okay, so first of all I will just change this hover color. Okay, so when I am hovering on it, so the color is coming of crimson, but I will just change it to green. Okay, so for doing that you have to just come over here. Okay, so go to down, you have to just go to down, and now over here you have to just go to navbar, and now in navbar here you can see the color is green over here. Then now here you have to go to down again. Okay, so just go to down enough, and here you can see the color is of crimson. Okay, so like I have telling you how to hover effect, and now like there is written dot navbar dot menu LIA and hover. Okay, so here in hover there is written color crimson, but I will just change it to green. So right over here green, and I will just save over here. And now if I show you, so here you can see, okay, hit refresh. So now when I am hovering on it, so the color is coming of green over here. Okay, so here you can see that we will just do like that. So over here you have to do another thing, like we have just changed these all colors. Now if you have to change this one color, okay, there is written like gamer, then there is written YouTuber and developer, many things are coming. So I will also change this color. First of all you have to minimize that, and you have to just go to text one. Okay, so here you have to go to section 1. Okay, so here in this section there will be not, so just go down enough. Okay, so I will just find that. So over here there will be, okay, if I show you, so here you can see just there is written the color of crimson. Okay, all the text are coming in dot text 3 span. Okay, so I will just change it into green over here, so it should be looking good. Okay, so save over here, and now here you have to save, and now here you can see that. Okay, hit refresh. Over here you can see now it is changed into green and looking really cool. Okay, so everything is now changed into green like this. Hover effect when I'm hovering on it. Okay, so we are redesigning our website over here, so it will be looking more beautiful from previous one. Okay, so here you can see when I'm just hovering on it, so the color is changed into green. So and when I'm just scrolling down, so the background color is coming off green over here. Okay, so over here I will minimize that, and I will just change the button color like I have shown you. Okay, so I will just go minimize, I will just go down enough. Okay, so I will just find my button. Okay, so go top of that, so you have to just find your button over here. Okay, so over here you can see there is my button. Okay, so I will just change it color to like, just you have to change it to green. Okay, and over here just write over here border, and the border should be of like 1 pixel solid, and here you have to write crimson, but here you have to do another thing, you have to just write 2 pixel. Okay, because here there is certain border of 2 pixels, so I will just change it to 2 pixels, so there will be not any problem. And I will just erase this color, and I will just change it to green, so my background coming into green. Okay, but the color of outline I want of like crimson. Okay, so I will also change it to crimson. So I will just save over here, and now I will just show you in Google Chrome. So here you can see now our button is hire me button is changed into green. Okay, so now when I'm hovering on it, so there is not any hover effect, okay, of border. So I will just show you how to do. Come over here, and now here you have to just write this call in. Okay, we are not writing that, so I will just come and hit refresh again. So if I just show you over here, okay, so here you can see now when I'm just hovering on it, so my background of crimson outline, crimson border, and higher me is in change it into color of crimson also. Okay, here you can see now it is looking really good. Okay, so now here you can see when I am hovering on it, so it's changed into green. Okay, so if you change it into yellow, so you can also do that. So you have to just come over here, and here like previously we have just changed it into green, so I will just change it into yellow. Okay, so you have to just come over here and write over here yellow, so I will write yellow and save from here. And now if I show you, so over here you can see now when I'm hovering on it, so the yellow color is coming over here. Okay, and it is looking really beautiful. Okay, so I will just redesign this one. Okay, but if I design these all websites, so there will be many time, and it will be just waste of time, because I have shown you like how to redesign a first page. So I hope you will also redesign these all pages by your own self. Okay, so I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project, like how to redesign your website in HTML and CSS. So just you have to practice these all projects we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of HTML CSS also, like you are of Python. Okay, so I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.